Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today's question might surprise you. We all know Venmo is a super convenient way to split bills with friends, send rent payments, or treat someone to a virtual coffee. But what if you need to move some serious cash quickly? Can Venmo be your instant money machine? Well, that depends. Buckle up, because we're diving deep into the world of Venmo instant transfers, uncovering limits, fees, and everything you need to know to make those fast financial moves. The need for speed, why instant transfers matter. Let's face it, life doesn't always happen on a 1 to 3 business day schedule. Maybe you need to send emergency funds to a friend across the country, or finalize a last-minute down payment on a sweet new gadget. In these situations, the standard Venmo transfer, which takes a few business days to hit your bank account, just won't cut it. That's where Venmo's instant transfer feature comes in. With a tap of your finger, you can whisk cash straight to your bank account, or even a debit card for some users, typically within 30 minutes. Sounds pretty sweet, right? Hold on now, let's talk limits. Alright, before you go on a Venmo instant transfer spree, there are some crucial limits to be aware of. These limits depend on whether you've verified your identity with Venmo or not. Unverified Venmo users, take it slow. If you haven't gone through the identity verification process, Venmo restricts you to a weekly transfer limit of $999.99 to your bank account. That includes both standard and instant transfers. So, while instant transfers are an option, they won't exactly let you move mountains of cash. Verified Venmo users, breathe a sigh of relief, but not too big. Getting verified on Venmo unlocks a higher limit. Verified users can transfer up to a total of $19,999.99 to their bank account per week. This combined limit applies to both standard and instant transfers. Here's the key detail, there's a separate limit for each instant transfer itself. For verified users, that magic number is $5,000. So, if you need to move more than $5,000 instantly, you'll need to break it down into multiple transfers. But wait, there's more. The not-so-free speed. While the speed of instant transfers is undeniably attractive, there's a catch: fees. Venmo charges a 1.75% fee for every instant transfer, with a minimum of 25 cents and a maximum of $25. So, before you hit that instant transfer button, make sure you factor in the fee to avoid any surprises. Instant transfer recap: need for speed or save a buck? Alright, let's recap. Instant transfers are a fantastic option for those times you absolutely need to move money quickly. But remember, there are limits on how much you can transfer at once, and those pesky fees can add up. The final verdict: friend or foe? So, is the instant transfer feature your new best friend or a foe disguised as a helpful tool? The answer, like most financial decisions, depends on your specific needs. If speed is your top priority and you're okay with the fees, then instant transfers can be a lifesaver. However, if you're a budget-conscious individual or only need to move smaller amounts, the standard, free transfer option might be a better fit. Remember, always weigh the urgency of the transfer against the associated fees before hitting that instant button. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy Venmo ing.